Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve a question which was asked in one of these entrances. Mostly it was an RRB Group D paper. The question was, what is the number out of the following, which number completely divides these numbers, which is 7 raised to 81 plus 7 raised to 82 plus 7 raised to 83. So I'm going to show you a simple method, that is nothing but just you take the lowest power and then you will be left with what, 1 from this, okay, and then here you will be left with what, 7, and here you will be left with 7 raised to 2. Okay, if you have questions you can just multiply this again, you will get the same question back. Okay, so now this is what, 7 raised to 81, this is 1 plus 7 which is 8 plus 7 square which is 49. So this is 7 raised to 81. Now this is 57. Now please understand, 57, we don't know what is the multiple of 57, which will be these answers. So here you can do a trial and error method, or the next method for this, or next better trick is nothing but what, make this 7 raised to 80 into 7 into 57. Now let's multiply this. So we get 7 raised to 80. When you multiply this you get is 399. So from this you can directly get your answer. Students, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, now time for your DIY. Do let me know, out of the following options, sorry, this was 61, 4 raised to 62 plus 4 raised to 63 is divisible by, options are 21, 11, 13, 17. Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.